can we see what your house is looking like now, mate? Now, if you don't know, we moved from the UK to Bulgaria in 2022, and we've been renovating this dilapidated house, which only cost us £7,000. So stick around and I'll show you what things looked like when we got here and then what they currently look like now. Yeah? Alright, cool. So here we are walking through the gate of the house for the very first time, and this was the state of it, not being lived in for over 20 years. And with a lot of hard work, Jordan wasted no time getting stuck into clearing the garden. And this is the current state of how that garden pathway now looks. It's almost unrecognisable compared to how it looked when we first walked through that gate. And this is how the cellar of the house looked when we first opened the door for the very first time. The past owners left so much stuff behind. And then very recently, our friend Rob came over to give us a hand with this room. And then this is what it's now looking like. Look at that, what a difference. Now we're going to move over to a separate building on our land, which we call it the Annex, but it's actually a winter kitchen. And this was in a really bad state, and we had to rip all of those ceilings down. Everything was pretty eerie, to be honest with you, even the shower room. When we first arrived, we were in desperate need of a shower, so we had to get some water installed quite fast. Jordan took to cleaning the rooms, whilst I took to building a shower. And now this gives you a rough idea of what this annex is currently looking like. You can see there's a toilet. You can see that this is currently my workshop / garden area. This is Jordan's craft room where she does all of her crafting, and that is the shower room. Now this is when we entered the house for the very first time. You can see owners again leaving their belongings behind, our mess to clear up, although Jordan loved that they left all of their old belongings at this house. This room was pretty creepy, especially with that doll on the floor that had been left behind. And also the ceiling had been falling down from the roof having holes in it. So I got to work on building a partition wall. I also installed a new ceiling in the bedroom, and Jordan and I got to work on building a bathroom. And this is the current state of the bathroom. Not too much has actually changed with this bedroom, apart from the fact that we've moved that bed downstairs and we're no longer all sleeping in one room together. Now moving on to this room. This was a bedroom, but we actually ended up turning this into a kitchen. And then this room, which we think was some sort of lounge area, we actually ended up keeping as a lounge, but this room was in pretty bad nick too, as you can see. Jordan very unimpressed. So we actually ended up joining these two rooms together by putting a doorway in, and this was going to make a lovely lounge kitchen. But in these videos, you're actually only seeing a fraction of the work. These two rooms have actually taken a lot of time and a lot of hard work, along with a lot of money. At least a lot of money for our situation anyway. And even though for now the kitchen is temporary, it is functional and it is working for us. We can do everything that we need to do. Make the coffees, make some pizza, and do whatever else you need to do in a kitchen. And the lounge, well, it looks like this. Minus the furniture right now. There's definitely a more homey feel, but I don't have that video. So someone said to us the other day actually, I was expecting to follow your channel and to get weekly updates with renovations on your house. And there's one thing I think people don't take into consideration, especially when you're on a shoestring budget, is that renovating a big old 1.5 acre plot of land with 3 buildings on it costs a lot of money, takes a lot of time, and it's bloody hard work. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing what it currently looks like at this moment in time, and we'll keep bringing you more videos. Cheers guys.